Watch this.
What's up, girl? How your day been? Yeah. How was your weekend? What? He did what? He hurt. He didn't put his hands on you, did
The work husband knows your wife better than you do. Okay? Most of you have women. You guys don't have money like that. She's not a helpmeet. You can't keep an eye on a woman 24 hours a day. So most women have to contribute to the household. Okay. You can't take her out on dates. We always talk about don't trick, right? We always try to encourage you to have game and try to manipulate the woman into paying for you, because we all know that when a woman parts with her money, when she invests her money, she spends money on you, she actually likes you. Okay. But the work husband, number 5, the work husband knows your wife, your better half, more than you.
he? More. Tell me more. Oh, yeah? I can't stand to see somebody hurting you. You a flower, you gotta blossom. We doing for lunch? You hungry? I'm gonna go get you something. You wanna come?
This is why your woman, whenever she comes home, she's gaining weight. She doesn't want to eat because somebody's bringing her food. Somebody's buying her lunch. The next time your girlfriend suggests another restaurant, sometimes it's not always the woman. Perhaps the work husband has brought her some leftovers, has suggested for her to try something new, and now she wants to take your goofy ass to the new spot.
With me? Starbucks macchiato, your favorite? I'm gonna be right back. Where do you think you going, girl? You all right? You hungry? What you need? You need something? Give me your paperwork for later. I'll finish it. Type it up. You know I got you, girl. Leave that man. Hold up. What you doing? Come on, girl. You ain't gotta eat none of this. So look, he not cooking you meals. You're not bringing food to work. Come on. Come here. Hey, let's go to my house for lunch. Something right now.
Let's go to my house for lunch. Shit is real, B. Shit is real. Your work husband, her work husband probably knows her a little bit more than you do. Everything that you're not doing for her, sometimes, it is what it is, man. It goes both ways. I've been in situations where I've been the space she needed, and I've been this. I was on the other side of that. At the end of the day, man, once again, once you grow up, you decide to grow up. You decide to understand the dynamics between men and women. Relationships all have an expiration date. It's up to you to try to keep the relationship fresh. If you care about this person, but at the end of the day, you cannot keep your eye on your woman all the time, bro. We talked about it the other day. Don't look for the truth unless you're ready to find out what it is.
What you want, some pasta? Some baked ziti? Come on. Hey, girl. Hey, now, come on, now. Come on, what you doing, man? Walk to your car and having somebody not open the door for you? Or your man, he must not do that for you, huh? He don't open the door for you? Girl, come on. Get your fine self in this car. Hey. I'm gonna see you at work tomorrow. Get a hug real quick.
That work husband's always hugging your lady, bro. Doing things that you're not doing, making her feel good. This is why she's doing extra overtime. She's going in a little bit early. She's looking extra good. Okay, very important. A work husband probably knows your lady more than you know her. And yet you're expected to do all these things, right? Take her out on dates, take her out on trips, buy her things. Now be careful with the guy that she says you don't have to worry about. Watch this.
Rusty.
Stop playing.
Oh my God. Give me a second, baby. Hello.
Who that?
Hey. I'm probably just gonna have shrimp and broccoli. Tell them to cook my broccoli well done. And some garlic chicken wings. All right, thank you. I'll see you soon. Okay.
Why you ordering food? I just told you I was gonna bring you food today.
Oh, I didn't know. That was just my coworker. It's not a big deal. You can save your money.
Very important. Very important. Now, why is the bitch answering the phone away from you? Pay attention, fellas. Your work husband, her work husband probably knows her more than you know her. Let's go.
Your coworker who?
Just my coworker.
Who, Tori?
No.
Chanel.
No, Tom.
Like Tony. Tony?
No.
Antonia.
Antonio.
Antonio?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like a guy. Why would you? You wouldn't be ordering food with a guy at the job, you wouldn't even trip on me like that.
It's a guy, but it's not like that. He gets me lunch like every day.
Fuck you mean he gets you lunch every day?
Calm down, baby. It's just a coworker getting me lunch. It's
No, it's not. It's not. You walking away, all talking, all quiet,
Babe.
talking about something. Give me some shrimp and grits. I want.
First of all, I said shrimp and broccoli. Second of all, he is a married man. He's not thinking about me.
No, that be nigga's game. You hype for me, married. Call him back.
Look, he's just a new
Call
doctor.
him back. I want to talk to him.
He's a new doctor.
Oh. What y'all doing? Y'all making her call him back? This is what I'm talking about, B. You got to trust your eyes, not your ears. Now, don't get it twisted. I told you guys the stories. We've all done it. I'm assuming we've all done it. Flipped out, punched a hole in the wall, flipped the table and shit, doing dumb shit, grabbing the bitch's phone. But at the end of the day, man, you got to trust your eyes. This comes with age. It comes with discernment. It also comes with just accepting the truth. There are certain things that are beyond your control. Focus on the things that you can control, fellas. What can you control? You can control what you put in your fucking mouth. You can control the women, your dick, who you're putting your dick in. You can control the money that you're spending. You can control the content that you're listening to. These are things that you can control. So it's hard for me to feel sorry or empathize with men in 2024 with all the content readily available. Everyone's repeating the same shit. Everyone's got a goddamn podcast. Everybody's a motherfucking coach telling you about these bitches. Now, again, if you believe in that thing, love, you know, I once believed in falling in love and being in love. It's a beautiful feeling, but I can honestly say being in love and having my heart broken, I see that being in love isn't necessarily worth it. So a lot of us are grinding, we're on our purpose, we're trying to do 10 things at once because you need to do 10 things at once in 2024 to at least make it, enjoy yourself, plan a goddamn trip, whatever. Sometimes you don't have time to really look at the intricate things that your lady's doing. You put it in a parking lot, you save it for the next time, unless it's something you cannot ignore. This in particular scenario right here, this woman went to the side and ordered lunch, asked her coworker to buy her lunch. Now, if she's buying her lunch and he says that she's buying it for every day, these are the men that know your lady better than you do.
Doctor in my wing, and he's just a nice guy.
Oh, he's a new doctor. Call him back so I can let him know what it is.
I have a solution. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second, baby. I'm gonna call him. Hey, so look, don't worry about lunch. My stomach is bothering me a little bit. So
Don't worry about lunch, nigga.
Stupid.
I'm not gonna eat. So I'll see you in a little bit.
She's not gonna eat your food.
Okay. All right, bye. Sorry.
And she's a nurse. Y'all know about those nurses.
Hey,
Play with me.
God, why are you acting like that? It's not like that. That's a married man. He's not thinking about me.
Matter of fact, FaceTime him. I want to see this nigga.
You know what?
Yeah.
If it's that serious,
Oh my God, you must be hubby. The fuck? I heard all great things about you. Bitch, hurry up. It's giving you late for work. Like, hurry
Hey,
up.
Tone.
You like my tie? Well, I'm gonna see you. Hurry up and get here. The fuck?
you got anything you want to say now?
Why didn't you just tell me he was gay? Why didn't you just say that?
Why does it matter?
You said that.
No.
Okay, very
There's
important.
some mothers in here, bro. Please stop. Please let your child see their father, especially if they a good father. Let your child see their father. If y'all just don't know, that ruins us inside. Like, it ruins us bad. Like, our relationship, like, we have to grow up with this. And this gonna forever be a story of our lives growing up without our father. Like, if you got a child right now and you're literally keeping them away from their father, you ruin the kid's life. It's not gonna come back good on you. They gonna always have this hatred towards you. You feel me? For you keeping them, but if you like keeping them away from a father for a good reason, like he a drug addict or something like that, or he just can't get right, then yeah, I understand. But if he's a good father, let the man see his child for sure. Like, for real, like, let him see his child, because I'm telling you, we need our father figures. You feel me? We need our father figures. We love our mom. We love y'all to death. We love our mom so much, but we need our father figures. We need that, that manly in our life. You feel what I'm saying? So please let your child see their father, especially if they're a great father. And if you are anything like me, and you're grown now and you have the chance to go find your father, and he actually like a good person, I advise y'all to go find y'all father and go talk to your father and catch up on times. Cause look, this life is short, bro. I understand that this life is short and you only get one father, you feel me? So I feel like I gained enough confidence to go actually speak to my dad and have a conversation with him and see like what he's been going through all these years without seeing me.